Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to update or change your Substack newsletter logo. This is a simple but important customization that helps brand your publication and make it instantly recognizable to your readers. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to substack.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that's associated with the publication you want to update. After logging in, you'll land on your main Substack interface. Look over to the left side of your screen and click on Dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your publication. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see another menu on the left side. From there, click on Settings. This section gives you access to all the customization options for your newsletter. Now you should see a section called Basics. This is where the core details of your publication live, including things like your name, description, and visual branding. Inside this section, look for the option labeled Publication Logo. Right next to it, you'll see a button that says Add Image. Click on that to begin uploading your new logo. At this point, you'll be presented with two options. You can either upload image if you already have a logo file ready to go, or generate image if you want to create something fresh using Substack's built-in tools. For this tutorial, let's click Upload Image. Once you click that, your file browser will open up. Navigate through your folders to locate the logo image you want to use. When you find it, click on the image file to select it, then click Open. This will upload the image directly into Substack, and that's it. Your new logo is now set for your Substack newsletter. It'll appear at the top of your publication and in places where your newsletter is shared or promoted. This small change can make a big difference in how professional and polished your publication looks to subscribers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.